See this bottle? This is you. Clean, refreshing, it's beautiful. Okay, you might not feel this way, but this is how we were meant to be. There's only one problem. Every morning, from waking up to when we go to bed, we can run into exhaust, traffic, smog, factories, cell phones, pesticides, public water, chlorinated water, nasty restaurant water, swimming in pools, swimming in debt, swimming in smoke, that's secondhand smoke, snack foods, junk foods, fast foods, processed foods. Notice when food is left out and it didn't spoil? Yeah, that's not good. Soda drinks, diet drinks, preservatives, stress with family, stress fitting in, stress at work, stressed about losing a job, stressed about finding a job, stress watching this bottle turn toxic. It seems as if life is not so refreshing anymore. Luckily, there is a solution. Yeah, an apple. Go figure, an apple a day? But the problem is, it's not just one apple. You need about that many. I'm not kidding. You need this many to battle the toxic garbage we take in every single day. Well, obviously this is impossible. No matter. This is why we have smart people. Smart people like scientists, doctors. These smart people have spent years perfecting and developing an easy solution that can turn your toxic levels into this. Live better, live cleaner, live life the way nature intended it. Propectin, the ultimate body filter. Exclusively by Jeunesse.